The Lord be with you, good everyone. Today is October 21, and the Gospel comes from St. Luke chapter 12, verses 35 to 38. The Gospel is reminding us all to be patient in waiting for the second coming of our Lord Jesus Christ. A servant who will be found waiting and patient for the coming of the Master will definitely be rewarded. Not many of us are good in waiting because whenever we want something, we always want it to be there immediately, as if by our one command, we want everything to be done exactly as we want it to be. But always remember, the ways of man is always different from the ways of God. The desire of human heart is different from the will of God. The position of human person is always different from the position of God. However, no matter how different the ways of man and the ways of God, at some point, we need to intersect. And we should be patient enough and we should be humble enough to wait for the time when the Lord will meet us. In fact, if we do not have the patience, more often we do not realize that God is already there waiting for us at the crossroads of our life. My dear sisters and brothers, we need to be very observant and we need to be very faithful in waiting, because in times when we don't realize, God is already there waiting and patiently looking forward to meet us. So today, if you feel at loss, just stop for a while, pray, and let God lead you. God bless.